Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will solve more problems. Today we will solve more problems. We'll continue the last problem that we didn't complete last time. It was about the ellipse, right? Uh, please write your names and student ID, okay? Yes, that's good. Now, let's just start. Let's solve this nice problem. Last time we were trying to solve it, but in a complicated way. Let's solve it the good way. So let's just start. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good because the browser gave me not responding. It's a problem when you use bad laptop like this. But let's continue. Now we have find equations of both the tangent lines to the ellipse x squared plus 4y squared equals 36 that pass through the point 12 3. Now, David.
Yes, Professor?
Yes, we agreed last time to continue now this problem, right?
Yeah, Professor.
So let's do it again together. So so we have this curve, the ellipse. Okay. I think I will take a screenshot because this is very slow here. This will make me mad, right? Just a moment, we are getting your image ready. Again, let's do it. I like teaching, but it's not working. Yes, it's working well now. Let's continue. So, David, we have this curve, right? X squared plus 4y squared equals 36. We want to find the equations of both the tangent lines to the ellipse that pass through the point 12 3. Okay? So, we need to find the slope, right?
Yes.
So, we need to find the derivative, right? Let's find the derivative again. What's the derivative here? You'll find it here.
To find the derivative, you have to do implicit differentiation
So 2x
plus 8y d, yeah, y prime equals 0.
yeah. Then we get
And then isolate y prime, so you'll get minus 2x over 8y.
so we get minus 2x over 8y equals minus x over 4y, right?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Now next, we assume let A be the point, because you know we don't know the points that their tangent will pass through this point, right? We still don't know. So we assume it like this, AB, because we still don't know the exact points. So let AB be the point on x squared plus 4y squared equals 36, right?
Yes.
Now, what's the slope? The slope is the image of A, right? At the derivative, I mean. So y prime of A equals not just AB, because we need also to substitute the y value. So y prime AB equals minus A over 4B, right? Next, let's write the equation of the line. Next we have what? We have y minus, since it passes through the point 12 3, then we can use the slope of the tangent and the point 12 3, right? So we got y minus 3 equals minus
Equals
a
minus a over 4b
x
x.
minus 12.
Oh, okay, okay.
Next we multiply both sides by 4b. We get what? You get
Y minus 3, everything over 4b. And then
4by minus 12b equals minus ax plus 12a, right?
yeah,
Next we move what we call it, now let's substitute the point AB, okay? So we got remember that the point lies on the curve, so we can substitute it, right? So we have substitute y equals b and x equals a. You get 4b squared minus 12b I mean equals minus a squared plus 12a, right?
yes.
What do we do next?
We have to find the point where a is equal to something that includes b, or vice versa, to be able to
Since
uh,
we since we have
simplify into one term.
since we have equation of two variables a b, right? So you cannot solve it unless you have another one, right? You need another equation.
Yes.
Yes. So let's find the other equation now. Not here. Let's try to write here again. Let's hope it works. Yes, it's working. So now the other equation. Remember, we assumed that AB point on the in the ellipse, right? On the ellipse, right? So we can substitute it here. We get what? We get a squared plus 4b squared equals 36, right? What do we do next? Next, we need to solve these equations together, right? But before that, move the green equation, move a squared to left, okay? It becomes 4. Let's write a squared before. So a squared plus 4b squared so a squared plus 4b squared equals 12b plus 12a. Is this good? This equation, move minus a squared to left, move minus 12b to right, okay? Do you have questions? Let's continue. Now, subtract these equations from each other. Left side minus left side is 0, right? Then equals 36 minus 12b minus 12a. Move them to the other side and divide by 12. Let's do it two steps. So 12a plus 12b equals 36. You get a plus b equals 3. Now, what's the next step?
Substitute A or B to see what to find the other one. Also, Professor, I have a question.
Yes.
Why did you subtract both equations? Couldn't you just see since A squared plus 4B was on both, that immediately 36 would be equal to 12B plus 12A?
Yes, you can do that. But I usually eliminate equations even when it's clear like this. But you are right. We can do it one step, that 36 equals this. Now, what's the next step? Next step, we need to use, where is it? The equation of, yes, it's here. See this equation, a squared plus 4b squared equals 36, right? I want to substitute b in this equation. But let's solve for b. So b equals 3 minus a. Now substitute b equals 3 minus a in this equation. You get a squared plus 4 3 minus a squared equals 36, right? Let's hope it's right. Yes, it's right. I am just... now, multiply this. You get a squared plus 4 9 minus 6a plus a squared equals 36. Next, we have a squared plus 36 minus 24a plus 4a squared equals 36. Next, 36 cancel with 36, right? Next, we have 5a squared minus 24a equals 0. What do you think? Can I divide by a?
You can factor out A.
Yes, factor out a, because if you divide by a, it's not correct. Because we will lose one of the two solutions. One of the two solutions is 0, right? So you cannot divide by 0. And usually when you divide, you are not allowed to divide if you don't know whether the value is 0 or not. So we don't divide. Take a as common factor. You get... so we get a 5a minus 24 equals 0. We get a equals 0. And we also get a equals what? 24 over 5, right?
24 over 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the value of b? b equals 3 minus a. So b equals 3 minus a. We will have two solutions. One of the two solutions is b equals 0. I mean 3 minus 0 is 3. The other one, you substitute 24 over 5. You get 3 minus 24 over 5. You get minus 9 over 5. So we have 0, 0 with 3. And we also have 24 over 5 minus 9 over 5. Next, we have y minus... remember the equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the tangent? Let me show you the equation again. It's here. You just substitute a and b and you get the two equations. So here, substitute, you get y minus 3. This equation 1, okay? So this is 1. Y minus 3 equals... what is minus a? Minus a is 0, right?
Yes.
So y minus 3 equals 0. This is the first equation. Second equation, y minus minus 5. So minus minus 9 over 5, which is a plus. No, sorry. It's 3. It's constant. But you know that you can also write the equation of the line using the point, any point you want. So if you want, we can substitute these points to write the equations. So as you like, you can write them, just substitute a and b for the for the slope, or also substitute the point. You decide. But let's continue. Y minus 3 equals minus a, so it will be minus 24 over 5 over 4 times minus 9 over 5, which is minus 36 over 5. Then x minus no, it's 12. It's already constant. So x minus 12. If you want, you can simplify. You can cancel 1 over 5 with 1 over 5, right? Then you can cancel minus 12 minus 12. You get what? It becomes 2 over 3, right? X minus 12. Then you get what? It's good enough like this, right? Let's see the graph. Yeah, it's good. We have line y equals 3 and the other one 2 over 3x minus 5. Do you have questions about this? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Now, thank you, David. Now let's ask. Now, Bishop. Do you hear me?
Hi, Professor. Yes.
Yeah, I need your help with with problem with this one. Differentiate the function f of x equals x ln x minus x. So, with your professor, with the Professor Suljok, which section are you now?
Honestly, I forgot.
Do you other students do you know?
Like in terms of like what chapter we're covering,
Yes.
pretty sure we're just like going over chapters 3 and 4. But like I don't
Right,
think we're like
right now we're just
definitely-
doing review questions.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like we haven't gone on to anything new yet.
Yeah. So we are not late here in recitation.
Sorry, what?
I mean, we are solving these problems from. I will show you. We still have 24, 20. These problems down.
Yeah.
This about related
Yeah.
rates and. So my question: are we late? I mean, is your professor?
No.
No. I think we're fine. We're doing similar stuff in class, so we're pretty good.
Yeah. I had suggestion yesterday. I wanted to suggest that. Just 1 second. Yeah, I wanted last time to suggest that we join earlier, but I thought that you students will not be able of joining earlier, so I didn't tell you. But what do you think? Would it be a good idea if we join earlier to do more? Is it possible? What do you think?
Yeah, I have a class directly before.
We have a class before.
So we can start just at 5.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Let's continue. Now, let's solve this problem. What's differentiate the function f of x equals x ln x minus x? What do you think, Bishop?
Then x
So ln x
plus x times 1 over x
plus x over x.
minus 1.
Yes, thank you. So you differentiate x first, you fix ln x, so it's ln x, then plus x, derivative of ln x is 1 over x minus 1. Good, thank you. Now, Aisha. Do you hear me?
Yes, Professor.
Yes,
Yeah.
I need your help with with the problem 25. Differentiate the function y equals 1 over ln x.
Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna use question rule.
Question 2, right? I have suggestion. let's use chain rule for this, okay?
Yeah.
Because I prefer chain rule more than using quotient rule. So let's use chain rule for this. This is similar to 1 over x, right?
Okay.
So it will be minus 1 over
Okay.
ln x squared, right? Then times derivative of ln
Yeah.
x. What's the derivative of ln x?
Yeah.
1 over x, right? Good.
Yeah.
Let's use quotient to show you that you get the same
1 over
answers,
x.
but you solve as you like. Let's just try to use quotient now. You get ln x times
Yeah.
derivative of 1, which is 0 derivative of 1, then minus 1 times derivative of
Yeah.
ln x, which is 1 over x, over
Okay.
ln x squared. You see that you have
Okay.
same solution, right?
Yeah. Ln x. Yeah. 0 minus 1.
Over x.
1 over x. Yes. Divided by ln x squared.
Yeah, thank you. So when you simplify, you get the same answer. So you can
Yeah.
decide
Yeah.
which method you like more. Do you prefer quotient rule or chain rule, as you like. Now, thank you, Aisha. Now, Gaia.
Okay.
Yes, Professor.
I need your help with problem 26.
Okay.
Differentiate the function bv equals ln v over 1 minus v. So, I think your mic is not working. I will ask Cheyenne. Cheyenne?
Hello.
Yes. Can you help me with this one?
You want with product rule? Sorry, not product rule. Quotient.
Yes. This one we cannot do it with chain rule because
You can do
it's.
chain and product. But
Oh yes, you can do product if you want.
okay, I think any chain rule is sorry, product quotient is easier.
Okay.
So yeah, so you take derivative of ln v, which will be 1 over v
1 over v.
times 1 minus v
1 minus v.
minus minus 1.
Derivative of 1 minus v, right?
Yeah,
Ln v.
yeah, ln of v over 1 minus v squared.
Yes, thank you. Here, is there need for simplifying, or this is good?
You can simplify. You can
I mean, your professor asks you to simplify these things, or just apply the rule.
I'm not sure. We never actually go through like whether we simplify or not.
No, he doesn't ask for simplification, just the rule, and that's it.
Yeah, thank you. So it's just a practice for the rule that you can apply it, not the
Yeah, but if you want to, you just bring the
the v.
coefficients and
Yeah,
apply. On the bottom, just do a minus b whole squared for the denominator.
yeah. I think we can do like this: 1 over v 1
Yeah.
minus v.
Yeah.
I mean I will distribute the division. I mean,
Okay.
then minus minus, it's a plus.
Yeah.
Plus ln v 1 minus v squared.
Mm.
I remember once he said as well, if you're going to simplify, I will deduct marks
Yeah.
because you make it more complicated.
Yes.
He told
I
us
think
that.
it depends on because you can't just leave it like dirty. I think it depends how much you're simplifying it.
Yeah. Now, you also see from the simplification that it will look like this if you use the product rule, right?
Mm.
Now,
Yeah.
let's continue. Thank you, Cheyenne. Now,
Yes, Professor.
yeah, it's ancient, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Please help me with problem 27.
So we'll use chain rule in this one. So first it will be g prime t by gt.
So g prime of t equals,
Like we'll take the derivative of the inside first upon the whole thing.
no, there is easier method.
And
Yes, you are right. You can solve like this, but you want easier method, right?
yes,
I will give you a hint for the easier method. Then you can continue helping me solving it. The hint is that we will use logarithms properties, okay? So I will show you the properties first. Let's go just 1 second. I need to show you the rules first, then we use them to solve the problem. We have, yes, let's see here. Where is it? Yes, it's here. So len, so let's continue. So len a plus len b, this equals what?
len a into b.
Yeah. Len a minus b. I mean len b.
This would be ln of a divided by b.
I think I am near forgetting these things. You may ask why. Because it's been a long time not using these things. But I understand them, so I still remember them. But I fear I may forget them if I don't use them anymore. They are important, but if you understand them, you can always remember them. I understand them, fortunately, yes. So I will keep remembering them forever. Now the next one, len a to b. This equals what?
b into ln of a.
B len a, right?
Yes,
Now let me ask you, are these correct like this?
yes,
No, there is a problem. For example, for the first one, I need to tell you that a greater than 0, b greater than 0, right?
yes.
For the second one, same idea. What about the third one? What will I write?
A should be greater than 0.
A greater than 0.
B doesn't matter.
B can be anything,
Yes,
right?
yes. Yes,
Okay. Do you want A to be more than just greater than 0? Do you want this or no?
yes, it should be greater than 0.
I
A should be greater than 0.
we can add more numbers. I will tell you how. Assume you have the following: len minus 2 squared. Is this correct? Yes, this is allowed because what is minus 2
Yes,
squared? What is minus 2 squared?
4.
4. So
It's
this
even, so
no
it's
problem.
greater than 0.
So what can I do if I want to write the property more general? This property I can write like this: 2 len absolute value of minus 2. So here, if I put absolute value, I improve it more, right? This property, it's better if I put absolute value. It's more general. For example, see down, you make it more general if you put absolute value, right?
Yes,
So it becomes here, A is what? Not 0, just not 0.
A can be not 0 unless and until B is even.
So, so A is not 0, then yes, you are right. We need to write about this, that we need B to be even if the A is negative, right?
Yes, Professor.
So, thank you. Let's write it better. A less than 0, B is even. So this is good. See, these things you will not forget because you do them by understanding. They are not hard. Also, For a greater than 0, there is no problem. B can be anything for a greater than 0. Now, let's get back. Do we need more than these rules? I think these are enough for the problem, right?
Yes, I think so. This is enough.
Let's get back. Yes. Now, g of t equals what?
So first we'll use the first law so that it will be ln
Len
the
t
upper numerator plus ln denominator.
plus 4 len t squared plus 1, right?
Yes.
Minus
Minus
1 over 3
1 by 3 ln 2t. Yeah.
Yes. Now you can differentiate it very easily, right?
Yes.
So g prime of t equals what?
This would be 1 by t
1 by t
plus 4 into this would be 2t on top in the numerator.
like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Minus 1 by 3. In the denominator, it should be 2t minus 1, and on top, it should be 2.
Thank you. So here we used logarithmic differentiation and chain rule, these things. Now, yes, thank you, Ancient. Now we ask Faisal.
Yes, I'm here, Professor.
Please help me with with this problem here, 28. Do you know how to solve it?
I will have to try, if that's okay.
Yes. So g prime of x equals what?
We use the g times h, derivative, right? Derivative h plus gh derivative, right?
Yes, you mean the product rule, right?
Yeah.
But we first use the chain rule, right? Because we have outer and inner. The outer function is e power, inside you have the product, right?
Okay.
So first we use chain rule. It will be, what's the derivative of e to x? The same thing, right?
Yeah.
So here e x squared ln x, then you multiply by the derivative of inner using product rule as you told me.
Times 2x.
2x ln x plus x squared, now you keep it x squared as it is, over x. Derivative of ln x is 1 over x, right?
Correct.
Yes, thank you. Now Ilyas.
Yes, Professor.
Please help me with problem 29.
Where do I start, Professor? I'm not sure.
Here, problem 29. This
Yeah,
one. Find y prime and y double prime if y equals ln 1 plus ln x. Here you will use chain rule, right?
yeah.
So let's start. Y prime equals what's the derivative of ln? 1 over the same thing, right?
Yeah.
1 over the inside, which is 1 plus ln x. Then times, you multiply by the derivative of inner. What is the derivative of 1 plus ln x? 1 over x,
The
right?
derivative of ln x, 1 over x, yes.
Thank you. Now Umar. Omar, Yusuf,
Yes.
please help me finding the second derivative. I will give you space first, because here we have just enough for the y prime. Now let's find yw prime. So yw prime equals what?
It should be a product rule.
Yes.
So let's do first. Keep the first one,
So 1 over 1 plus ln x.
and then it's negative x power -2,
Yes.
and plus. Then we keep the second one, 1 over x, and this one is an easy way to do that. It's probably just quotient rule. So we keep the bottom one, 1 plus ln x.
Use it, I mean, do it as chain rule if you want.
Chain rule? Okay, yeah.
So minus
Uh,
1 over
Yeah. And then
1.
bottom squared.
Yes.
And then this one is just times 1 over x.
Yes. Thank you. Now, Shaban. Samba Shaban. Do you hear me? Omar. David.
Yes, Mirza?
I need your help again.
Okay.
Now, where is it? Yes, it's here. Problem 30. Find an equation of the tangent line to the curve at the given point. Y equals x squared ln x 1 0.
Okay, so first, we need to use product rule to derive the equation.
Yes, so y prime equals
2x ln x plus x cubed, x squared, sorry.
x squared
Um,
over x, right?
yeah,
It will be just x.
yeah.
Now, we want this
You
look
have,
at 1, right?
yes. So substitute 1.
Ln 1 is 0,
Yeah, so it's just 1.
just 1. What's the equation?
It will be y minus
0.
0 to y, and then it's 1x minus 1, so it's just x.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Now Ayan,
Yes, Professor.
I need your help with problem 31.
31. So we have to use logarithm.
So we take we use logarithmic differentiation, right?
Yes,
So ln y
it's equal to 2 into ln of x plus x squared plus 2 plus 4 into ln of
x power
x
4
raised to 4
plus 4, right?
and then differentiate it
So what's the derivative of ln y
by 1 by y.
times y prime, right?
Yeah,
By chain rule, I mean. Then this equals 2
2
times
by x squared plus 2 plus 4 by x raised to 4 plus 4 into 3.
right?
Yeah.
Then this y prime equals what?
Y prime equals, we put y to the other side, so y into the whole right side
4x over x squared plus 2 plus 16x cubed over x to 4 plus 1. And then you substitute y back.
and substitute here.
Thank you. Next we have Shayan Mazhar.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Professor,
Yes.
My name, I
Yes.
wrote it wrong by mistake in the chat, so I rewrote it at the end of the chat. It's okay?
Yes, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
I called your name not correctly last time. I mean, few
Yes,
minutes.
yes. Because I wrote it wrong in the very beginning.
Yeah, no problem. Uh, yes, Cheyenne.
Yes.
Yeah, we have two Cheyennes in this section, right?
Yes,
I
we do.
already did the
Yeah.
one of the questions.
Now it's your turn. Cheyenne Mazhar.
Yes.
Please help me with problem 32. Use logarithmic differentiation to find the derivative of the function.
Yes. It's ln y.
What's your estimate? Do you think we will need more than this space here? I think we will.
Not really. I,
I think we will need, right?
yeah.
Let's take it out. Yes, let's start now. So ln y equals what?
ln 1 over 2 ln x.
So it will be half ln x, right?
Yeah.
Then plus x squared minus x, right?
And yeah.
Ln e is 1, remember that.
Yeah.
So no need to write it. Then plus,
2 over 3 ln x plus 1.
yes. I really enjoy doing these things. They are enjoying, right?
Yeah.
Now, what's the next step?
Differentiated.
So y prime over y
1 over 2x plus 2x plus minus 1.
plus 2x minus 1.
2 over 3 x plus 1.
Then multiply both sides by y. Y
Yeah.
prime equals square root of x e to x squared minus x, x plus 1, 2 over 3 times the whole thing that we wrote, 1 over 2x plus 2x minus 1 plus 2 over 3x plus 1. Good?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now, now I will ask you, what about if we stay a little bit after 550? Is it possible?
Are you asking like everyone or?
Yes, everyone.
How long after 550?
Few minutes, for example, 5, 7 minutes, something like this. Not much.
I can. I don't know about everyone else.
What about others?
Yeah, it really depends how much time extra.
Is 5 minutes good?
Yeah.
You may tell me that you are asking about us about 5 minutes, but we have spent 5 minutes while asking, right? Now, let's continue. Now, Shahid Saraji. Do you hear me? Saif Al-Hamadi.
Yes.
Yes, Shahid. Help me with the problem 33. Use logarithmic differentiation to find the derivative of the function.
We multiply by ln.
We take ln of both sides. Ln y equals x
ln
ln
root of-
ln square root of x, and the square root of x is x power half, right?
Yes.
So we can take it x over 2 ln x, right?
Yes.
Then how to differentiate this?
No, you.
Y prime over y equals, we use the product rule, x over 2 is half, then times ln x the same thing, then plus, now you keep x over 2 as it is, times 1 over x. Good. Now, now you multiply both sides by square root of x power x. Let's do it. This equals half. No, let me do it a good way. I will write it here, okay? So y prime equals, you multiply both sides by y, you get square root of x power x, then times ln x over 2 plus half. Yes, good. Now, سيف الحمادي. سيف الحمادي. Is this Gahala? Gahala Ahmed? Do you hear me? Dahi? Is it Dahi? Dahi? Look at the screen. Do you see your name? Do you hear me? Zaidan?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, I need your help with problem 34. I will take it and then we solve it. So let's solve it. Ln y equals what?
One second. Ln y is equal to cos x into ln x.
Yes. Then derivative y prime over y equals.
Yeah.
What do you want to fix first and differentiate as you like?
So it's gonna be minus sine x.
Okay, minus sine x.
Minus sine x ln into ln x.
Then plus.
Isn't it ln twice? Ln of ln x?
Which one?
Ln into ln x, isn't it that?
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Sorry, I made a mistake here.
Yeah.
So, so ln x, because we have already ln, so it's here inside. Yeah, thank you. So let's differentiate again. So y prime over y.
Yeah, so it's gonna be minus sine x.
Yes.
Ln into ln x.
It's good to ask.
Plus cos x.
It's good to ask smart students as you, and the others are also very good. This section, the whole section is good. So minus sine x,
Thank
then ln x, then
plus cos x
plus cosine x
into 1 by ln x.
1 by ln x.
X into 1 by x.
Yes, it's really dangerous problem.
Yeah.
Then we have y prime equals, we multiply both sides by y, you get ln x power cosine x, then the whole thing over here. Right?
Yep.
Yeah, thank you. Now next we have, do you agree about we stop at 550 or we stop here?
We can stop here.
Okay, let's stop here. We continue next time and have a nice day.
Thank you, Professor.
You too, Professor.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, Professor.
Yeah, welcome.
Professor, I was here from the beginning, but I forgot to write my name, so I did write it like midway through, so you'll find my name like when you scroll.
This one?
Yeah, Hana Ahmed.
Yeah, it's good, no problem.
Okay.
Me, I will take the names and you can leave if you want. I mean, I will take screenshot of them. So you finished chapter 4. So we are really late.
When is our quiz? First quiz?
Uh, we don't have quizzes now because we need to do it in the university. I mean, I will not do it online quiz because it's not good. So no quizzes for now. Now, okay, let's just stop here.